Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the install version of Blender. So let's see how we can do this thing. There are different approach, but the easiest way I will show you. So you can click start menu of your Windows and then you can start typing Blender. But this approach is applicable for Mac operating system also. You just need to open the Blender. So once you type Blender, you'll see the Blender application is there. Just click here to open the Blender. So basically on the top you will see the version of the Blender. It's 4.3.2, right? For my case it is like that. And if you want to check more, basically you can click this Blender icon. It will pop up this type of menu, and from here you can choose about Blender. And once you click here you will find the details of this version, like Blender version 4.3.2, and this is the date of release this version, and so some other different other things basically. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily find the install version of Blender, and then we can decide whether we need to update or we need to reinstall like Blender. Thank you guys for watching the video.